Today is the National Day for Social Workers. I know, having been a social worker for 27 years, how hard you all work, and we do thank you. We thank you for your dedication and commitment to social work, wherever you are and whatever you do. Thank you. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Diolch o galon I weithwyr cymdeithasol ym mhob rhan o Gymru. Da ni'n gwybod eich bod chi'n gweithio mewn amgylchiadau anodd tu hwnt yn aml iawn. Mai heddiw di diwrnod cenedlaethol y gweithwyr cymdeithasol, wel, gadwch i ni drio cofio am werth eich gwaith chi bob un diwrnod o'r flwyddyn. A mi nawn ni be allwn ni yn fan hyn yn y Senedd I sicrhau eich bod chi'n cael y gefnogaeth da chi angen I wneud eich gwaith. Diolch o galon I bob un ohonoch chi.
Today is International Social Workers Day, and so I want to say a huge thank you to all the social workers out there who are doing their very best to give people the support and guide them through the systems that we have in place so that people can get the help that they need when they need it. I was raised by a social worker, so I know the tremendous toll it can sometimes take, but I want to say a huge thank you for keeping going, doing your very best and being there for the people in our community. Just.
I'd love to take this opportunity today to thank social workers across Wales who work hard to promote the rights of our most vulnerable people who we look after day in, day out. And as an ex-NHS worker who worked very closely with social services over the years, I fully understand the dedication and passion it takes to do this job. So I'd just like to take this opportunity to recognise and fully support you in your role.